Me say na me se me nkasa ma ye di na me Kofi Adoma na so boy wa ko twetwu se say by publicity ya on and so I can so ni say nya no madam for Sandra kwa na wudi no na wudi Sandra our London our you married woman but who decided say maybe more than me couldn't yourself and that is where you have your daily meal. So Kofi TV was about me. You know, why abandon your first wife? I go for be a betra na hey miracle wuni trust what a bunch of betra with the entire wager we yira woni na wo. I go for ba for be jana miracle wuni trust.
Why is she only coming out after I caught her with a man in our matrimonial home? Hey!
Abusia, amunya kwa ba eba notice GTV so. But more than me subscribe button so no me notification icon so e dey my. Say the video be aba bontin a wonya kwan ahwe video no e dey my. And the issue be o. Issue we ho ne ye Kofi Adoma. Issue we from last week air rise ye. I will be able can be concerning the Kofi Adoma can say and the wife miracle to me hide that man no ko fall bad ni betenim. Sa issue we Kofi Adoma kan ye no o praising the wife or live television so no obi abekan bi ebe kata se Kofi say the Kofi ye no wan ye ni ye say wa fa ne yere chi ene eyo bia nso say Afia Schwar abekan bi say hwe the Kofi kire e di Kofi atembasa say Kofi nu eyo bi o dwaman fo pa nso ono ne de siye ne de ba ye between ono ene abrakwa entemunu Kofi Adoma ene nipa o giginemu e grant more interviews ebe kan bi ebe giginemu kan ya man ne Ghana ha obi a eteye enem Kofi Adoma so na yesa issue we see ye no obi a eteye e Ghana ha say tesha be ka say Kofi Adoma even crow no Afia Schwar down for Kofi Adoma na dapping nsem we no mintumi nkan wa ha nti no mentie fi ono wa kasa enum mentwe ombra
asemi my promise will be asemi nkemi but emi onwa menya bro kwa semba na Kofi Adoma ye ne sepacha se akola fufuro bini na ojita na nyase na yei na afani kunechi na yei kumchacha na nenyim se antro hwe bini kumchacha benya me wase bakanya ye Kofi Adoma discussing na little did I know say you too you an abusive husband Kofi Adoma. Are you calling public sympathy? And so I can't so say no madam for Sandra kwa na wudi no. Na wudi Sandra our London our you married woman. But who decided say maybe more than maybe couldn't yourself. And that is where you have your daily meal. So Kofi TV was about me. You know, why abandon your first wife? I go for be a betra na hey miracle wuni trust what a bunch of me say na me se me nkasa ma ye di na me Kofi Adoma na so boy wa ko twetwu se say by publicity ya on woni ma wa de mu nsem no wo didi mu afanto asuo nya ma nya bo ho dua wo wie no pesa wo de o kama de betre mu de enti a waja wo yira woni na wo akofo ba afofo be jana miracle woni twasire wo Kofi Adoma woni twasire enem ka che woni twasire wanim tru kan se aben wo twinkwan nyame tuoka with sa energy na wo fa amasem so a wuti se cross nyame tuoka nyame fa wakatu kan ena ma miracle abuo ne wona asia. You see how you people are quick to defend yourselves, but you run somebody down for your personal interest so that you will eat. Nyamintiaoka, asana wabi wano kansa odi aye oba fofo no. Nyamintiaoka, say enamijiti. You are going about sleeping with people's wives. Sandra, me madam for Sandra, I go find London. No, you'll be here. But me nya kwa asamba ye no wo Kofi Adoma wo ye interviews che obi a e da me ma je say ye wade a na ebo ni wo ye na sa asem no koto ye and now you want to play a victim When you da nyame di mu bedi. Se me mother, me su nyame na me bom paye, na me tua aforibo, na me hwe nyanka de nyame ni mu nyira bedi. Nyame be tua wo ka wo Kofi Adoma. Ko shini na de wo betwanto. You are a liar, shut up. You are an abuser and a cheater.
This is what is some way Afia Schwar e kan ya. Ni ya ho no. Se Kofi Adoma you be a or you're ungrateful because and you're only one person. No have your affair and so be on another da. Kofi Adoma you be a or yemba sempa. Ndi say obi asem ban so a Kofi Adoma ento no boase no nka. Unso no dey buy dey. Am afọ ka no. Ono no insanity because o edmo on live television am afọ hwe no pa antino or insanity. But obi dey bape na Kofi Adoma age aginim no waka pa obeka and obeka pa so ne nsaso na basa aso ne nan watwetwe wakan yie mo bia ehu. But yeah am already buy am afọ ka dey or insanity. Then no nsem wo ye Afia Schwar e kan na Kofi Adoma so abe sanity we mention video Kofi Adoma so be kan abe sanity e kan say fine wafum but mo fan channel e kan we say but subscribe to this channel and the video be about bontia when you kwan ahwe e dia man e da wase
nipa ye nimpan
me entina omo de kono so na low na me say there is esteem or no esteem o de me de munni matemo me de me ntina me ka say me nkwase asem bia madi me no me gitum say madi nkwase asem ba nyame adom. Sometimes when I'm thanking God I'm sure Ghana ha say Ghana ha o your ba na onyim na wanyi a e betu asen wa sorry but say we here obetumi atena so hako communion. Ghanaians don't want to see you tell them you have sinned. Yes. Ghanaians want you to cover your sins
and condone the sins.
Oh, okay. I was bold to say it because it is my past and I don't ever have a plan so I'll revisit my past. It is my past and I am happy where God has taken me and where He's taking me. You can't show you now say Obi asembe ya trobo. If say bebre no amo bre e wo mu wiase amoba because you just jumped into conclusion. You put somebody in unnecessary pain and because of that you are suffering. Asembe ye tie mu ye pa ye tie. That day I didn't get the time to explain the whole story because not time in the whole. So what you have, you can put one and two together. I told you Miracle was there. Miracle has been married since. Even with that, because of I moved on and lived with another so in a house bought by Miracle. Low self-esteem. Go and ask the number of people. Minister Bakushia me no say Kofi na de waye de wanya de na me say minister na de asema. I say Charlie, you've taken my woman. Na me say I never knew. You know ministers and you know say we say
and a Roman for will be baby and I'll be a friend confession. Ubekwa ko hu sofo no waka che na my father. So I am from so on Mompaye ma na won ko hu biom. So, sanity. Well, any idea beats me, I'm not watching what film because once you've confessed it, it's very difficult. It's very difficult for you to go back to it. A lot of people have been in it, and yet, in a good situation, I wouldn't be happy. My men just am worried I'm gonna go for baby, and everything. But it's see what made me feel pain. Men 2 million and 2 train. I am from so. Majatu. Papa chow. E nipa. Ye dem from so che. Esan say. Yesu Kristo. Ebe wuje ye nkwa. Ye boni bebrebe. Ye boni tantan. Boni a ye yesie. Obe wuje ye nkwa. Se be ya ye boni. obetimi de akyeye eno nti ne ye kwa asore se ye ntumi fo obi bone nche no na ebe te say we no ebi nsi da say we ye sofo say we ye lawyer ni say we ye centroni say we ye role model say we ye role model whoever you are we are human ye nipa de edikan ansa nipa bi de tumi bi ahye nsa ana adwuma bi de tumi bi ahye nsa but the edikan say nipa enti sofo to me ware na waye mistake now a child we don't crucify them. If they confess, admit their fault, now almost bonifacha. Only why Adasa. We are not here, we walk off from Sawon Fante. Now back at one some nyatrum. And the way you want to the year bear Ghana. Yeah, how you don't know. Because the politician is afraid to even come and tell you the truth. So they go about finding ways to defend things that are indefensible. Near more my decisions be on my taking papa. I respect as a males for what they did then. Now look, maybe I can't one time premium. I would say, yes, because I'm no, you ain't to me fun yet. Technocrats, not catch and say, ye. Intimate to us. Yaka, waka no credit so, get your check. Let's learn to teach our children to say the truth. Let's educate them to let them know this. They are humans. Wamunye niya to obeti mi afum. Ye chro mo a obeti mi ya kanokore tre. Ye to an among. So we all heal and move forward. Good afternoon. Mo motimi wo high and self-esteem was wrong. Yeah, mo fancy high here. Yeah, mo fantina jago na mo petra sako dan bi entina yeah, mo pe cream enfanya mo pimples no why na mo nim na ho smooth wona ma bi sa ma me obeka papa suba ya tiro enso gusu te ho wona mo ya bi sa osofo ase wan kasa kura kwa e fa so wo ya jekere asa kuruma tore bia na ebobo adam say ebobo adam kasa bahat. If you don't know what you're talking about, shut up. Why? Ya kwanu tum unim di okeka twaso unim nipa e kasa bahat then social media proclamima 2x4 bina you feel you have self-esteem, you are better off. Sa omo awu eni kunu no omo so omo nya den ye oh everybody has a story. If you cannot tell your own, keep quiet and be that hypocrite in that corner. Everybody has one. Learn to tell your story. No be fanya nyansade. No be fanya bibi papa wom. Na ye moye honi yen kan kure ndi nokure. Ti na mpanyifo nkan kure nkyere. Ye na ye pentro kata ne maso. Ye bram so. Entumi mi nokure man. If you are able to open up and tell the truth when the truth is needed, this country will move forward.